Boom. And that is literally all you have to do to make a few $100s a day online, simple and easy every single day. Hey, the infamous Joel here, and in this video, you're gonna learn how to download photos, copy and paste them, and make up to 100, 300, $400, however much money you want every single day online. This is one of the easiest techniques and tactics I found on the internet to make money every single day. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a photographer. You don't have to be a graphic designer, have any kind of special skills. All you're going to be doing is downloading photos, copying, pasting, moving things around, clicking a few buttons, and you can make a few dollars or all the way up to hundreds of dollars depending on how much time you want to put into this. You can make as much money as you want. This is simple stuff. Now, if you're into making money online, then this is the channel for you. So you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm the infamous Joel. I talk about making money online all the time so you can live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Also, remember to hit that like button. Can you be somewhere else right now, please? Anywhere? So I'm the infamous Joel, and if you're into making money online, then make sure you subscribe to the channel because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you want to make money too online, then also make sure you hit that like button. And also make sure you hit that like button. Don't just watch this video. All I ask is the like button. That's all I ask. It's all free stuff. So please contribute to the channel with that thumbs up, okay? Now, without further ado, we're going to get into the simple strategy right now. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to a website called canva.com. That's CANVA.com, canva.com. And the thing about this website is that it's a place where you can make all kinds of online content, pictures, photos, wallpaper, GIFs and JPEGs. If you don't know what any of that stuff is, don't even worry about it because you don't need to be a professional with any of this stuff whatsoever. You don't need to be professional at all. You don't need to make everything look beautiful. You don't even need to create anything from scratch. Okay. So I'm going to show you exactly what you should do to make a few $100s a day, all the way up to $400 a day if you wanted to online. Simple stuff. Downloading, copying, and pasting. Easy, easy. Now, if you come up here to where it says templates in the left-hand corner, obviously, first of all, you should make an account. There is a paid version of this software of this website. You do not need it at all. Okay, you don't need it at all. You can eventually upgrade to the paid version if you want to, because you will be making money doing this technique. So if you want to upgrade to the paid version, I think it's only like $10 a month. You can, but you can just start off with the free version. You can do this, until you get the hang of it and start making some money with it, and then boom, you can just upgrade from there. But let me show you how to do it first. Now, you can come up here to templates in the top left corner, and you can go to either social media. I think personal is another good one, but you can see here that there's a lot of different places you can go and get templates in here. Logos is a good one, flyers. Just think of what other businesses or other people would need online that you can go ahead and sell them, because that's the first step. Now, we're going to get into a little bit later on, if you watch to the end of this video, exactly how to go through that process. Don't panic yet if you've never sold anything online, or you're scared of dealing with people. You won't have to do anything crazy, okay? I can promise you that, but just bear with me. Click by click, we're going to go over this here. Let's start with logos, okay? We're going to go with logos, and we're going to see what templates they have for logos. And as you can see, if we scroll down, most of these are free, okay? You can see some of them say paid, some of them say pro. That's what I was mentioning about. There is a paid version of this site. You don't necessarily need it to make money with this, okay? But you can see some of them do say free, and you can start there, okay? So now that we're here and we're kind of scrolling around, we're going to decide on which one we're going to choose depending on who asks us to do a specific job for them. Now, what the hell am I talking about? Let me take you over to the site where you are going to make hundreds of dollars online every single day. Now, the link to this is in the description below. This is called Fiverr, Fiverr.com. Okay, so every single day you're gonna make an account here where you're gonna basically be a freelancer. Now, this is a website where freelancers and business owners can connect. And if someone needs you to do a specific job for them, they need you to write an email for them, they need you to do some video editing, they need you to do something, and they come in here and they can, pay you for your services. And simple, straightforward, just like that. And you can see all these different people who are on here providing services and charging people $5, $10, $40. This one, $295. Whatever they want to charge, whatever you want to charge, whatever you feel is fair. That's what you're going to put on here. Here's my services. This is how I can help you. I can do this. Okay, that's it. So since we are creating a logo, let me see where the logos are. Logo design right here. Since we're going to be doing logo work, you can create an account in here and just mention that you are looking to create logos and help people, help businesses do logo design, okay? And you can charge just like these guys, $25, $30, $50, all the way up to $80, okay? Simple stuff. Now, if you're really good with like graphic design and you're actually really good at this stuff and you don't really need everything I'm about to tell you, then you can just skip a lot of this and just do it on your own. But for those of you who have no skill whatsoever, that's who this video is for. You have no skill, you have no idea what you're doing, I got you, okay? I'm perfectly fine. You can still make money doing this. So long story short, when you create an account in here, and let's just click one of these people's jobs here. Let's say this was you. Now, somebody would contact you or just pay you right up front and kind of give you the details of what they would need, okay? I am a soccer equipment business, and I need you to create a logo for my soccer equipment business, and this is what I want it to look like. Okay, simple, straightforward. So all you would do is come over here to Canva, and you can just click on the search bar here, and you can go soccer logos, okay? And they can give you just a few templates here. If you have the paid version, you might have more options, but you have a few here. So you have a soccer logo right here, and you can just click customize this template, because we don't, obviously we want to touch this up a little bit to kind of fit the business that we're working with. We don't want it to just be some bland copy and paste thing, although you could, but they might not always be happy. Now, if you could figure out a way to swing that where it doesn't have the name Thompson on here and they go, well, who's Thompson? You can always do that. But what you're gonna do then is kind of move things around, kind of animate this and like change the colors, and it's really simple. You can actually do a lot of different things with this. It's a really powerful editor, and you don't need a whole ton of skills. I mean, I can do it and I have no skills whatsoever, no tech skills. Like, I can move this stuff around. You can change the colors of everything. Like, let's change that to black or something, red, whatever, okay? But if you're really good at this stuff, then you got a leg up on the competition. Like me, I'm not good at it at all, and you can still create it as one of your many streams of income. You just keep watching through this channel and see how many different ways you can make money online, because I have a ton, and this is just one of them. So this is basically a service arbitrage. It's a fancy word to basically mean a lot of the work is already done for you, another business or another person wants a service done for them, and you just go in and you move a few things around and you click and you copy and paste, and it's all done for them. This is completely legit. This is totally fine, because what they're paying you for, they're not paying you to be the world's greatest logo creator. Okay, that's not true. What they're really paying you for is to save them time. Okay, that's it. As long as you save them time, they're going to be perfectly happy. Now, obviously, if they do a really amazing job, that's even better. But if you just do a so-so job and you save them some time, they'll throw you $10, $15, $20. So just imagine doing this every day, all day. And if you're charging, I don't know, $25 per logo, and it takes you about half hour to an hour to do this, move things around, kind of click around, you can probably find a Canva tutorial on YouTube to kind of get a good sense of how to do all this stuff. It's very, very simple. But if you could do that for 30 minutes to an hour a day, here and there, or you can make it your full-time gig where you do this for 8 hours and you just like kind of play around with logos and stuff all day long and kind of sell them to people, you could legit make this like a $50,000 or $100,000 even a year income type of job for yourself. Okay, there are a lot of people on Fiverr right now who do this kind of stuff. They do like service arbitrage, and a lot of this is really, 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 really simple. Like, people are paying because it saves time. Like, I come in here and I pay on Fiverr for video editing sometimes, or like thumbnail design sometimes, and it's not because I can't do it on my own, or that I don't know about Canva and I can't move this stuff around on my own. It's because I just want to skip that and just pay someone to do it for me. It saves me time because I'm really, really busy. And that's what people will pay you for, okay? So don't ever think that you need to be the most skilled person in the entire room. As long as you're willing to save someone else who has plenty of money, save them some time, they're willing to pay you for that. That has value, okay? So as you're an online entrepreneur, always think, how can I save people time? And that intrinsically has value attached to it. So it's never about, I need to go to school and like be this super amazing skilled person. If you can just do simple tasks and save someone else some time, that has value and they'll pay you for it once again. Okay, so again, if you like the training that we're giving you right here, well, I'm giving you right here on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And for those of you who don't know who I am or don't know anything about me and my channel, I have an entire playlist right here on making money online. I have a crap ton of videos on this channel on different tactics and techniques and methods just like this. So get yourself on that playlist, start watching those videos, and see which method kind of aligns with you and what you would like to do to make yourself some more money.